Hello everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate a 1 kilowatt pure sine wave inverter that I built myself. This inverter converts DC battery power into a clean and stable AC sine wave output. Most low-cost inverters produce modified sine waves, which are not ideal for sensitive electronics, so I decided to build my own pure sine wave inverter. I have already collected all the essential components needed to build this inverter. Here you can see the main parts and components required for building a 1 kilowatt pure sine wave inverter. The list of all the parts is available in the video description. I have chosen a 0 PCB board to assemble all the parts and components. At first, I built a feedback and low-pass filter circuit for the inverter. This circuit is used to smooth the waveform and convert it into a clean sine wave. These large heat sinks are for the MOSFETs. This improves heat dissipation and keeps the MOSFETs cool during operation. This is an XT90 socket, used to connect to the transformer's primary terminals. I've securely mounted these large heat sinks using screws and soldering to keep them in place. For my 1 kilowatt pure sine wave inverter project, I used 8 IRF30205 MOSFETs. Next, I'll assemble the heart of this project. I've also included a startup delay circuit for safe operation. The pure sine wave inverter board is now fully assembled, and the diagram file can be found in the description below. I bought the EGS002 Sine Wave Inverter driver module online, and it arrived from China in around 15 days. I also built an inverter driver board before, and you can check out my previous video. You can find the EGS002 datasheets online. Just search for them on Google. I used 2 XT90 connectors, one for powering the board and the other for connecting the transformer's primary terminal. The transformer I used here was rewound by me. The primary side is 7 volt and 12 volt, and the secondary side steps it up to 220 V. All connections are made according to the diagram. The diagram will be available in the description below. For testing, I used a DC power supply instead of a battery, but a 12-volt battery can also be used. Now, I am going to test the circuit board. The EGS002 module comes with a 3-second soft start feature, and the output voltage can be adjusted using the feedback circuit. Now the output voltage is set to around 220 volt. Now I will test the AC output waveform using a mini oscilloscope. I built this oscilloscope myself, and you can watch my previous video to see how I made it. As you can see, the AC output waveform is a clean sine wave. To get a full 1 kilowatt output, you would need a larger transformer with a higher VA rating. Theoretically, this project can produce up to 1 kilowatt of power. If you increase the number of MOSFETs and the transformer size, you can achieve even more power. So this is my 1 kilowatt Pure Sine Wave Inverter project. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this project, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more electronics projects. Thank you for watching.